mula sa kanya. Susunod naman po kung may pagbati po ang bawat bisita natin. Gayon din naman ang isang mag-aaral. Nababati rin para sa inyong lahat. Tinatawagan po ang mag-aaral mula sa Barangay Pandayan RIC, Children's Center, Ria Jane Abadilla. Palakpak mga bata.
Tirik daw.
Today, my fellow students, especially to our teachers, parents, principal, mayors, and faculty. Today is the day that we will live our hard work in our studies. May this knowledge bring us to our aspiration and uses in youth. I would like to thank these youth, all teachers, and our government who are always behind us to reach our goals and ambitions. And also, I want to thank my family, especially my mommy, who always support my needs. I wish you here as one of our witnesses in this recognition and graduation day. Again, thank you very much and congratulations to all of us.
Wow, thank you, Eugene. Kasunod dito ay ang paghaharap ng mga guro sa kanilang mga magsisipagtapos. Mula ho, pamuntang-unang po mula po sa barangay Bahay Pari, si Gina Saruli